Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you something different than my other videos. I think I'm going to reveal myself a little bit about what I do. Actually, I'm a software developer for industrial laser projectors. I work at the company Z Laser in Germany. I worked there since 2005, and then in 2018 I returned to my home country, Indonesia, and continue to work for Z Laser from here. And now I'm officially a Z Laser distributor. So if you need any Z Laser products, you can contact me. And in this video I'm going to show you the laser projector. Okay, here I have 3 different models. This one called LPHFD, this one called ZLP1, and this is ZLP2. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little bit about laser projector. Laser projector has a laser pointer as laser source, and this laser point is deflected by 2 mirrors. It is attached to galvo motors, and by the movement of both mirrors we can create any contour for projection. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate this LPHFD. Here I have a calibration plate. We need to calibrate the laser projector to our working surface, working area. We need to do that only once, and if the projector position is fixed, we can just working without doing the calibration every time. Okay, now I'm going to show you the software. Now I'm going to calibrate the laser projector. I have to scan for 4 reflectors. This is the first drift compensation point, and this is the second drift compensation point. This is the third point. This is the last point. Okay, Now we are going to the next step. Here we have to define our coordinate. Here we can see this is 0 point, this is 400 0, this is 400 800, and this is 0 800. You can see the corresponding position. The square is 100 times 100 millimeter. So from there to there we have 400 millimeters in X direction, and in Y direction we have 800 millimeters. Okay. By the way, this is my cat. Now we go to the next step, and here we can see, or we have to define our maximum projection area. This is our maximum projection area, and then we can click finish. And now I want to load a file with a square of 400 and 800 millimeters. This is how it looks on the screen. This is how it looks on the projection surface. And now I'm going to put this object exactly in the middle of our projection surface, or this calibration table. I just need to load the corresponding file. This is the projection on the screen, and now you can see the projection on the surface of the working area. I said that I want to put this in the middle, okay? Now we can see that this object is exactly in the middle, so we don't need to measure the position, and for the production process, any production process, this is very effective. You don't need to measure anything. Just load the file and then you're done. Okay. Now I'm going to load another file. I have prepared a This is the car windshield, I mean the model car. Now we want to put this model car to the position. Okay, you can see that the projection is in 3-dimensional. So I will put some links to the real application of these laser projectors, and if you need this kind of laser projector, you can contact me. Even if you are not in Southeast Asia, or if you know someone that need this kind of projector, you can just let them know and contact me. So yeah, I hope that I can sell some projectors very soon. Okay, I think that's it for now. Here again my cat. The other 2 laser projectors. Okay. Thank you very much. Until next video. Bye bye.